Yes.
There are many rishis who are angry all the time. Very angry people. But not people.
They are angry because we are stupidly making the mistakes again and again. We make the mistakes. And every time they say the rishi gets angry, he cuts the karma. Karma shrankala is cut. You're bound to the earth by many weeds of desires. Every time they curse you or get angry, snip, snip, they snip you. So people in India say, when they go to the Himalayas and they see an angry yogi, they say, throw the stone at me, get angry at me. Because if he's not doing anything, then your trip is not successful. If he gets angry or fires you, then... Because remember when I said I'll beat you with a chimta? Who's had that? Okay, you've had that. So good. Oh, Brands missed it. He is looking very sour. He is looking at you with burning jealousy. What significance? Significance of the Ganga, just like I proved to you that the 7 rishis who meditated here are in the stars, and I proved to you that the Omkar Kriya that you do, the sun is also doing. I didn't prove to you, NASA helped me when they showed the sun chanting Om, Om. How many have taken a totally new view of Omkar since they heard the sun chanting Om? Raise your hand. How many think that they should be more encouraged to do the Omkar, right? It's a scientific thing. If you curse me and you do what I say, you'll still get moksha. And if you love me and don't do what I say, you will not get moksha. I'm sorry. Because I have a positive and negative pole. I have a holographic magnetic field. The magnetic field may spread to the whole solar system or the whole galaxy, let's say. But that doesn't mean everyone can get it. Everyone may be in it, but they cannot get to the moksha. It's not about the spread of the space and time. It's about the subtlety. That if you try to meditate and do it on the atomic level, you can't get the moksha. Only when you split it up and you become so refined that you can enter the subatomic level of this galactic aura, then you can contact my magnetic field. That means electromagnetism does not have any neuron, any neutron in it. It only is electro-protonic, and protonic is just a proton, it's a material thing, just to take you up the ladder into the electronic. So the main aura is electronic. So you have to get to you're made of electrons, protons and neutrons, right? If you try to, that's your atoms you're made of. You can't contact the spiritual Gurunath at the electron, proton and neutron level, at the atomic level. You have to become subatomic. You can still not contact him at the subatomic level because he gives you a hint at the protonic level. You can only contact him at the electronic level, the last stage, which is known as Nirvichara Sasmita samadhi, which you want to real progress. But Babaji you cannot even contact at the electronic level. You have to go subtler than that, at the level of light. And he becomes light with great difficulty. Light is his grosser body. My grosser body for the moksha is the electron. His is light. But Babaji is also not the lightless light. He is beyond that. He is pure consciousness. The spirit of his no-thing-ness. What did I say? So to merge in him, you have to become the spirit of no-thing-ness. Can't be a thing. You have to be a good for no thing. Then only you will have spirit. If spirit touches matter in its own state, matter dissolves into spirit. You heard this definition in science or physics? That's what happens. In its pure intensity of its constant state of unchangeable being, if matter touches spirit, it dissolves. If matter touches partial spirit also, or a grosser spirit called the black hole, matter dissolves. How many know that? If the matter goes into the black hole, it dissolves. Then when it goes into the singularity, the space-time continuum dissolves. That's why with you, your thoughts and space-time dissolve. That's why you're not able to answer me. You're no dumb people, you're brilliant. But if your space-time dissolves, then you can't even be spaced out. Yeah. Okay, next question.
Gurunath, this electromagnetic field, it covers the entire North Mandala.
The Nath field is the electromagnetic field, which is the process of evolution and guided by gravity. The other thing which the Nath yogis use is the thermodynamic field, in which he brings chaos out of cosmos, order out of chaos, cosmos out of total disorder, or bringing down into the material field. If you see that there is heat and motion, things tend to fall in order. If you apply a lot of heat and speed, if a lot of atoms are traveling and there's heat, and you give them speed with that heat, they fall into line. So also mass will use thermodynamic process to bring spirit into lower formation of matter, and gravity will use the electromagnetic process to get grosser matter into spirit. Does this sound like more Indian philosophy or a class of physics? But that's what it is. That's what yoga is about. The physics of the soul.